Verb first form could be any work, any action, for example, eat, go, drink, catch, run, etc. The object could be anything on which work is to be done. It could be common noun or proper noun, a name of any particular person or anything, any place or a name of any particular place like Clifton Beach, Hawke's Bay Beach, Sandspit. Some examples are there like garden, park. Food is a common noun. Now these are some examples for present continuous tense like I am going to school, I am eating pizza, you are eating sandwiches, we are drinking fruit juice, they are playing football, you are drinking cold drinks, we are watching movie, he is taking bath, she is taking nap.